Welcome to Trail and Thrive. Today, on Technical Wednesday, I want to show you how to test a battery voltage with a multimeter. So you would need a multimeter. Then you see our multimeter voltage here. So we need to test for voltage. Because it's a 12 volts battery, will come at 20 volts. Then our probes, you have to make sure it's on. Come here and voltage test here. Here are our props, positive and negative. Positive, which is plus, this is our positive, and minus, this is our negative. Let's see, our battery is 12.56, which is normal when it's not idling or charging. Remember, the battery charges only when the car is idling. This is Trade and Thrive, where career grows and skill thrive.